Welcome to Stamford Hill on a sunny afternoon, summertime. I'm walking on a random street right now, and you might be wondering why. I'm here at Colberg Street in Stamford Hill. Well, it's not random because I specifically came to this place to do this video, which is a special video for somebody who is my subscriber, and I appreciate so much. He asked me to come and film this street for him. Here I am in Colberg Street, North London, Stamford Hill, N16, and he said film for him this street if I can, and particularly his old house where he used to live at number 6 Colberg Street. So let's try and see if we can find number 6 Colberg Street. Right here I see is number 1, so it shouldn't be very far from here. By the way, if you don't know who I am, or you are new to this channel watching it for the first time, my name is Big Japa, and I go around filming lots of different types of videos. And today I'm doing a special video for a special person, special subscriber, special viewer of my channel, Mr. Yakub. He wrote to me this message long time ago, but I kind of saw the message a bit late, a few months late, and well, they always say better late than never. This is number 15, so I think the number is left, right, because that side is number 10. So number 6 should be somewhere around this area. It's not very far. Number 6. I thought I was gonna walk a long distance, but quite frankly, okay, this is number 5, this is number 7, number 6 should be somewhere there. Okay, that's number 4 there, and this right here probably is number 6. It's open. Is this number 6?
Number 8.
Where's number 6?
This is number 6, yeah?
This is number 6?
Yeah.
You sure? Okay. Hello. I'm doing a video for one of my subscribers. He said I film for him his old house. He used to live here. Okay. Yeah. So this is number 6, right? Yeah. Number 6 Colberg Street. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so Jakob, this is your old house, number 6 Colberg Street. Hope you find it helpful and you're happy. Good afternoon, sir.
That's very considerate of you, coming all the way for your subscribers. That's
I know.
The extra foot.
Yeah, the extra mile. Well, I did happen to be in the area anyway. I don't live very far.
Make sure all the YouTubers get their subscribers to do things like that.
Exactly. Thank you so much for appreciating that. Yeah. Okay, Mr. Jakob, this is your old home, number 6 Colberg Street, and I'm gonna walk to the end of this street so you see your old neighborhood. And yeah, nostalgia, and you feel back to home, hopefully. So yeah, number 6 was that. The numbers are quite, dense. It's like left, right, them kind of streets. I thought I was gonna walk a very, very long distance to get to number 6, but quite literally it's off the Stamford Hill. And yeah, as you can see here, 21, here 24, and yeah, wow. So yeah, this is why we do YouTube. For moments like this, little moments remind people of little things. Little things can be big things. You know what I mean? To me, this is just an ordinary street, but to somebody, this means quite a lot. So quite literally, this is the end of the street. Colberg Street, N16. There you go, my friends. And you look back to the other side of the road. I must say it's quite a beautiful street really to live in. So quiet around here. So yeah, this is North London, Stamford Hill area. And yeah, I'm gonna walk back to the main road of the Stamford Hill. Hopefully I can get back to the main road from this area. And also I want to thank AVAG. I don't know if I'm spelling that right or pronouncing that right. AVAG or AVAG. AVAG21 has recently joined my YouTube membership. Yeah, YouTube membership. Now I've got 2 members for the Big Japa channel. Thank you so much, AVAG. You have no idea how much this means to me to have people join the membership. And if you're watching this video as well and you want to support this channel, join the membership. You can see there's a button below in all the videos, or when you come to my channel, that says join. Just click on that button and you see the details. Well, you get some exclusive videos just for members only.